दिखाता हूं मैं आपको स्लो मोशन में। क्योंकि नॉर्मल स्पीड पर तो सिर्फ यही देख सकोगे।
With the racing soul of GSXR, presenting Jigsaw.
Suzuki Jigsaw, the street sport bike.
An all-new fuel injection engine, high on performance, high on mileage. Driven by Yamaha's Blue Core technology concept. The new Yamaha FZS version 2.0.
It's not a machine. It's me.
Yes, Yamaha.
We have the same DNA. We have the same blood running in us. I sound a bit like you. I look a lot like you. We have the same attitude. I am relentless as you. I move like you. I am built like you. I am the CB Hornet 160R. I am built after you.
We are the first. The first to see the gods. The first to tame their beasts. The first to guard the soul from evil. We conquered this land and built an empire. But there are whispers on the wind. A brotherhood born in the shadows. They are the first to call themselves the Assassins.
Inspired by the 6-time INMRC champion, the all-new TVS Apache RTR 164V. We don't make sports bikes, we build race machines. TVS Apache RTR 164V.